Morning viewers, Ben here from Sender TV. As you can probably gather, today we're out at the ranch. Now today's video won't be about my Mustang Mark 1 or the Segway Villain. If you want to see videos on that, please go to my channel. I'm sure you'll find some great footage there. Today's video is actually about one of my other beloved machines, the Kubota MX 5200. Now you'll notice I've got the hood up because I just wanted to make a quick video about well, there's only one issue actually when I was slashing. I noticed after several hours of slashing that the temperature would get quite high. There was nothing wrong with the coolant or engine oil or anything like that, and it was a brand new tractor. I checked the screen, which I've actually already taken out, which is over here. I've already cleaned that part. And I'd clean the screen, but it would continue to be hot. So I'll just show you what tends to happen. Get in on the radiator there. You can see there's an awful lot of gunk in there that the screen does not stop going through. So this is just grass seed and debris and stuff. So the way to fix that is I just get a air compressor. I've just got a little one here. It does the job for me out here. And what we do, now make sure when you do this, you go from this way and not that way. If you go that way, you're just going to blow crap straight back into the radiator and it'll get even more clogged. So I'll just do a quick demonstration and hopefully I can film and do this at the same time because it's very fiddly, and you make sure you take your time with it, and I'll show you how much gunk actually comes out. Sorry about the noise. Hopefully when I was filming there you could see all the stuff coming out. It was a bit hard trying to film and do it at the same time, but you can probably see there that that sort of panel there is now a lot cleaner than it was. So you've got to be patient with this. It does take a little while, but it's very fiddly. It's hard to get your hand in there behind the fan, but the better job you do, the better result you'll get. So I hope you found this helpful, and please feel free to go watch some of the other videos on my channel. Thanks. Bye.